all their carb rebuild videos for SV650s are pretty trash, so I'm gonna let you guys know what's up with mine. It's an 01 first gen SV650. The way you get them out, these two are the two jets that you'll need to clean. Just two flatheads to get that off. It's held in by 3 Phillips. And you can take the carbs out together. Getting them off is kind of weird. Make sure to disconnect right. Which side are we on? Right here. It's gonna be the chokes, and you can follow that down from your handlebar. The chokes on the left hand side. Down there, it's gonna be these weird looking things. That's gonna cover or keep it in place. The back one's on the other side right over here. And then make sure to disconnect the electrical harness and undo the throttle cables. There's a little, on this bike it was some flathead water hose type setup on it. And then you can just pop the idle control off the bracket on the other side. I hope that this video helps you guys out a little bit. If you got any other questions about it, please let me know. This bike was experiencing some stalling from about 5,000 to 7,000 RPMs. I went through and I cleaned up this guy right here because he was all buggered up. So now it should run real good, and I'll let you know.